How to find transit number of Royal Bank of Canada. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through step-by-step process on how to find transit number in Royal Bank of Canada. Firstly, let us understand what transit number actually is. So, transit number is also known as a branch number. It is usually a 5-digit number that identifies the specific branch about where your account was created in. To locate the transit number, all you need to do is log yourself into the online banking or the internet banking account of Royal Bank of Canada. Once you are logged into your account, you will be led to this type of interface. Here, tap on the account option in the bottom left of your screen. You will now see the option for account information. So beside each account, you will be able to find a 5-digit transit number before the hyphen and then the 7-digit number after the hyphen. And that number is your transit number. Just in case if you are still not able to locate your transit number, you can contact the customer service or the branch itself and ask for further assistance. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.